Let's unbox this package. It's the 6-drawer stackable makeup organizer. It came nicely packed with bubble wrap around it, and it's also in another plastic bag. So here's our organizer. It has 6 drawers, and each drawer has a black lining fabric, and I think the black really looks good against the acrylic. And you can pull all the drawers straight out. It does not have anything to stop each one, and it has a back. It's completely enclosed, so that will reduce the amount of time I have to dust my small items. It measures 11 inches long by 6 3/4 wide and 4 3/4 high. On the inside of each drawer measures 4 5/8 inches, and from front to back measures 6 inches. And on the inside it's just about 1 1/4 inch. So here's how I'll be packing my organizer. I have some lashes there, and it can hold up to 6 packs of my lashes. And I have lipsticks. That's 11 lipsticks in there. It could hold 12 depending on the size of your lipsticks. So this organizer holds a decent amount of items, and we have 6 drawers. So it's a great choice for small items. It's nice and compact, and it's clear. You can see everything that's inside of it, and it looks beautiful, and I love the handles, and the material is nice and sturdy.